Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is going to be a new Shoprite haul. Shoprite is a supermarket, a grocery store, and they sell food and cleaning supplies and a few household items, very little, just mainly groceries, things like that. So let's get started with Shoprite. The very first thing I picked up is a big thing of salami. I'm always grabbing this. I love salami. So I just picked up one of these. I also picked up 2 packs of these Purdue. They're already cooked. They're boneless. They're real chicken patties. This one is like the original home style, and then this is like original. So I like to make these with different foods or top it with cheese and you know, put them in like a sandwich, or you could cut them up and put it in salad, all kinds of stuff. So I got a whole bunch of TV dinners. They're over here in a minute. But I just scattered everything and I put everything on the floor for the moment so I can show you this haul. I got a whole bunch of Smart One TV dinners. This is the Salisbury steak with the mushrooms and mac and cheese. I love this one. This is like it's like an enchilada, you know, like a Mexican rice with a sauce, and then it comes with the stuff. Love that. I got a whole bunch of Knorr side dishes again. They're only $1. I only picked up 4. I got 2 of the 4 cheese and 2 of the, you know, the cheesy cheddar ones that I'm always grabbing. Got those. I got 3 bottles right here of the Diet Cherry Pepsi. I picked up this bottle right here of Raid with the little nozzle, the little hose right there that I need. It's an ant and roach spray. So I'm going to use this to kill ants. Like I said in my other Dollar Tree video, I'm going to be making a homemade solution for ants. But I decided to pick this up so I could spray, you know, like little cracks and crevices, any areas near the windows, the doorways. So I think the ants are coming from my backyard. But anyway, I got that for the ants. Then I picked up 3 pouches right here of pepperonis for my dog. He loves the pepperonis. So I got the real sausage with smoky flavor, pepperoni. I got him the prime rib flavored pepperoni sticks. Then I got him the other pepperonis. This is original beef flavor, the one that he likes. And then I got 2 big cases right here of dog food. I think this is dog chow, I believe it is. Yeah, it's dog chow. I got him those high protein dog foods. Now these were 4 for $4, so they're basically $1. Bigger than the Dollar Tree Kleenex. This is the big good ones. This is the Kleenex with the soothing lotion, and you can see it right there. I think it's coconut or aloe. Yeah, it's coconut aloe or something like that. So I picked up 3 of these and 1 blue regular one. So this is the regular one. This is the it says Trusted Care. So these are good for your nose and sneezing and things like that. So I got those. Then I picked up one of these Dynamo's laundry detergent. This is the Purple Wildflower scent. Purple Wildflowers. I got a box of borax because I'm going to be making some cleaning supply stuff with this. This is good for cleaning homes, cleaning laundry, for ants, and all kinds of things. So I got borax. And then right here, I picked up this big box right here. You get 40 trash bags. They're black with the green string or whatever. It smells like vanilla. These are just the ShopRite bags. Now I got a whole bunch of these TV dinners again. I got the Mexican Smart Ones. I got the Swedish meatballs, more of the Mexican. Then I got these Marie calendars. I love these. This is a different one, a New Orleans style chicken Alfredo. Then I got the buffalo style mac and cheese. This one's really good. I got more of the Mexicans there. I got a big thing right here of the green tea, 4C instant iced tea. Love the green tea. Got some ground pork. I got 2 boxes right here. I bought the stuffed cheese, 3 cheese stuffed New York breadsticks. These are freshly made pasta. This is the spinach ones, the green one. I love this one. I'm gonna be making some homemade delicious cheesy pasta with this, with the homemade. And these cook faster than the box pastas. Love those. And then here's more TV dinners. I got the buffalo again. Chicken Alfredo. Got more of the little smart ones. Got a whole bunch of those. And that's it, guys. So let me put all this stuff away. I will talk to you guys later. I'm getting ready in a few after lunch. Go to Home Depot. I need to buy some other stuff. And then I'm going to clean out my refrigerators. Clean the whole... Deep clean the kitchen. And then I'm going to be making my solutions for the ants. And then I'm going to do like an ant treatment thing around my property. And, you know, do all that stuff. So, anyway, that's it, guys. Thanks for watching this haul. And I will talk to you guys later on. Let me know if you tried any of this stuff. Or what remedies you do for ants. All right, talk to you guys later. Bye.